right? Hydrogen peroxide is just like water, but it's got extra oxygen in it. And that extra oxygen doesn't like to stay in it. So it turns back into water. But that also means that hydrogen jumps out. Now this is really slow. Okay? This is 12 times stronger hydrogen peroxide than what you get at the pharmacy. This is really powerful stuff. This stuff will take your skin right off of you. This is iodine, which is a strange little metal that causes a catalyst.
Okay? That causes a what?
A catalyst.
What's that?
Have you ever cooked grits?
Oh yeah, I like grits.
Okay, when you put grits in the pot, they're hard as little rocks, right? But a few minutes later, they're not hard rocks anymore, are they? Something's happened to the grit.
They're soft.
Okay? They catalyze. They catalyze. It's a fancy word for, we got hard grits in this pot, soft grits in this pot. Why? Well, we added heat. That's easy. And we put some food coloring in this just so to make it easy to see. About that shot. That's it. Now the scientists call this elephant toothpaste. Let it go.
I'm nervous.
Now that was just, you know, you can put iodine on a scratch. You can put iodine on a scratch and it kills all the germs. Okay?
Oh my gosh, green drops.
Nice one.
I have a bottle of iodine in my apartment.
Excuse me, let me take a close-up of this magnificent.
So, are they really using this at the zoo?
No. This is a slang name
Okay.
for something that the scientist knows works. Hydrogen peroxide, which you buy in the store, is 3%. It hardly gives a reaction at all. 35%, it volumes up. All that volume is there's a drop of dish soap in there. It breaks the surface tension. And the dish soap is catching the little hydrogens that are jumping off and turning it into what's going to be left is water. And this is, don't touch this with your bare hands, but this is just bubbles of hydrogen. And the reason why you don't want to touch it with your hand is because there's a little tiny bit of iodine that's still hanging around. And you can see it right here, this yellowish red. See that kind of yellowish red right there? That's just the iodine coming out of everything.
Get away from the selfie.
When can we
missing
do
the
this? When can look at that? Let's
Over
try.
there.
Yeah, I want to do it.
Is that it? Something like that?
I want to do it.
Yeah.
That iodine is different from what's in your little medical kit or in your medicine cabinet, only because they put a lot more in. Okay?
Why's that blue?
See, there's just a little bit of food coloring.
Just so you can.
It's erupting.
Yes.
It's like
Now,
my volcano.
One other thing, while this is going on, because the hydrogen's jumping out, okay, and leaving you water behind, this is actually rather warm. We didn't do anything to it to make it warm. But when the iodine attacked the hydrogen peroxide, it broke apart and turned into water. There was heat.